Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Wednesday the 4th of October. I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we're going to be looking at the charts of sterling against the dollar, which on TradingView is the code GBPUSD. What we'll see is that the pound sterling has come back down. It had a very good run 3 weeks ago as everyone realised that UK interest rates might go up quicker than expected, but it's drifted off. It's now getting towards the lower boundary of the uptrend on the weekly chart. However, despite it getting towards key supports on the 4-hour, I'm still a tentative bull on sterling. Let's look at those charts. So starting with the weekly, so as usual, each candle on this chart represents 1 week's trade. Now you can see that I've drawn some parallel lines onto the chart. These to me represent the uptrend on the weekly that we're in the moment, and you can see that we've pulled back down from the upper boundary and we're just below midway, getting towards the lower ranges of the uptrend. The pullback has caused the RSI to lose its momentum slightly. It's at 57.38, although still above 50, and the MACD still showing some positive momentum as the short term is above the long term. You can see on the charts that the 20-week will give support. That's presently at 130.41. Below there, the 50 has also started now to move up as well. On the daily, you can see the pullbacks brought us back below the 20-day moving average, getting towards the 50. That's moving up. It was positive on the 14th of September, excuse me about that, on the 14th of September, when we had a golden cross on the 20, when it crossed through the 50 as that was rising as well. So that's a positive indicator, that is a mid-term indicator. On the RSI, it did reach a peak on the rise in the market, which was good, but since then we've created a downtrend, and actually it has gone marginally back below 50, 49.96, so indicative that we are losing momentum. Excuse me. MACD as well, the short term is below the long term, although they are both above 0. On this chart, the 50-day should give the support, 131.37. Moving on to the 4-hour, here again you can see that we've drifted off, and that we're approaching key support, which here is from the 200 on the 4-hour. However, you can see that the RSI has picked up, and that the MACD have also crossed in an upward direction. This is a sign of a bottoming formation, so that would be good. We need to break through the resistance of the 20 and the 50, but I would say excuse me, that we're likely to go through the 20 quite quickly, although that did hold the markets last week on the 28th of September. I think the momentum has increased now to go through that 20 and then go on to test the 50 on this 4-hour chart. The RSI presently is at 41.05, but I think it's more important that it's starting to create an uptrend. Looking at the support and resistance levels, resistance 1, 133.95, that's the 50 of the 4-hour. Then we've got the high of the 28th of August, 134.556, with supports the 200 from the 4-hour, 131.79, and as I mentioned previously in the video, the 50-day, 131.37. So that's been TA for traders looking at sterling against the dollar. The key takeaways from the video should be that it's fallen back to supports. 4 hour has got indications of a bottoming picture on the RSI and MACD. On the weekly, we're at the lower range of an uptrend, or getting towards the lower range of the uptrend, and I'm a tentative bull on sterling. Many thanks for watching the video. Sorry about the coughing. I had a bit of a sore throat last couple of days. Please remember these videos are for information only and are my opinions, and they're not an investment recommendation. Please read the disclaimer. Thank you.